we are not immortal. So this is my dad passed, unfortunately, and I have 2 of his patents. I'm not sure what to do. This is part of, what can get into estate planning where patents kind of meets with other areas of law.
Yep.
So I'll put this up here. He's a bit older. I want to see what routes he can take. My grandparents recently moved in and I inherited some things. So upon discussion, I found it was discussion with Chrysler at the time. And that's pretty cool. And need to be some modification done to it, which he already suspected. Because his health, they hit the back burner, never saw release. Okay. Well, a couple of things there. Now that I see with Chrysler, I mean, typically, if he's an employee of Chrysler, I would guess that the patent is actually owned by Chrysler. But if he's just in conversation, if he's an individual, private individual, sole proprietor, or an LLC, potentially discussing a licensing deal or a sale of his patent portfolio to Chrysler, then I think you do have rights to consider. I think getting with a patent attorney to first and foremost make sure that the patents are still enforceable is important before really going any further. See how much life is left, if you will, on those. And then the next order bit, assuming there is some life to it, you would want to have proper assignment done. And there are mechanisms on the MPEP, the Manual for Patent Practitioner Examining Process. And for doing just that, for a deceased inventor, usually it'll follow the will or a by intestate. And assuming you're the heir, you'll get ownership and get that patent assigned, recorded, and then you've got full authority just as if you were the inventor.
I'm actually dealing with this right now with a client, a trademark client, and I've never had to do it before. But yeah, I'm assuming basically we'll have to wait for the estate to kind of go through probate, and then his son will become the executor of his will, and then at that point we can assign it.
What's cool with trademarks is, of course, there's no expiration.
Nope.
So long as the business exists, right?
Yeah, and I would think that we wouldn't want it to abandon, right? And so the sooner we can get the assignment, the better, right? Because you don't want to have an LLC out of business, inactive, or I'm an individual owner, who's deceased, on record as the owner, because we want to make sure that that trademark is active and enforceable.
Yeah, and so in this case, even if you got other things going on in your life, too busy, in other words, you don't really have the same zest for the invention. You can sell, right? Patents are fully transferable. You can sell them, license them, get them in the hands of other individuals, business owners that can do as this person wanted to get it out in the world to kind of see his father's dream through.